In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to cancel final round AI subscription. For this, you need to head over to this section which says AI job hunter subscription, as you can see. And once you are there, just hold on a bit. You can see we have three different plans to join up. We have starter plan, we have pro plan, and we have max plan, right? So you can easily subscribe to these, but let's just say you want to unsubscribe or simply cancel the subscription. Once you subscribe, it's going to be changed into cancel subscription. And yeah, that's how easy it is to cancel it. You can simply press onto this button, which is going to be cancel subscription once you purchase any of these plans. And yeah, so head over to your AI job hunter subscription and then head over to your any of these cancellation plan option. So this is how easy it is. I hope this helps. See you around in the next video.